right, we started off with 2 packages of our little beef smokies in our air fryer. Now I have my Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue. You can use whatever barbecue you like, and we're gonna add a generous amount of barbecue to our little smokies. Now you could use a kielbasa for this, you could use the traditional little smokies, but whatever you do, it has to be a nice, delicious meat in your air fryer. And we used about 3/4 of our barbecue sauce. Now what goes great with that barbecue sauce is a little bit of brown sugar, so we're just gonna kind of sprinkle that right on top. You can use as much or as little as you like depending on how sweet you like, but just a nice little sprinkle will go a long way. I think that looks absolutely perfect. Now we have some wash your sister sauce or whatever you call it, and we are going to sprinkle a good amount on here. You can add about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons right in there with our little smokies, barbecue sauce, and brown sugar. Now I'm going to add some additional seasonings because I like to have a lot of flavor on these, but this is optional. I'm adding some onion powder. This is going to be the quickest appetizer you've ever made. Of course, we're going to do some garlic powder because what is an appetizer without a little bit of garlic? Am I right?
Yeah, totally.
Now we're gonna add a little bit of salt to cut that sweetness, and this is gonna just be perfect for this super easy appetizer. Great for the summer, you don't have to turn on the oven, you can just do it all in your air fryer. Last but certainly not least, we're gonna add a little bit of pepper because I like a little bit of heat, a little kick with my little smokies, but you can season this however you like. I'm just using my favorites. Beautiful. All right, now it is time to mix this. I just have my food grade glove on, and we're just gonna mix this super easy. The easiest way to mix our little appetizer all in the air fryer. I do have the rack on the bottom of this, so these are gonna get nice and toasted and heated up and just bring all the flavor. It's so great if you're having like a 4th of July party, Father's Day, whatever you wanna make these for, people will love them. All right, these are ready for the air fryer. We're gonna turn this on. We have it on air fryer. We're gonna temp this at 375, and then the time is gonna be about 10 minutes. Right in there. Let's go. All right, there's 3 minutes left, but I'm pretty sure these are ready, so we're gonna go ahead and stop that, and let's check them out. Oh yeah, those look absolutely perfect.
Yum.
They smell incredible. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and bring over my serving platter. This is just like a little oven safe platter with a lid. And we're gonna spoon these right in here so that people can just eat them with a toothpick. So good, so easy. Literally the quickest appetizer. It was only in there for 7 minutes. Does not get any better than this. You guys are gonna have to try this out. All right, now you could just put the lid on and keep it warm, but we are gonna try these out. I have a little glass of toothpicks, and you can just dig in. Oh, be careful, they're gonna be super hot.
Are they good?
Those are incredible. Oh my goodness, you have to try them.